Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Hort and welcome to my course Understanding and Applying Leadership Styles. Leading a team can be challenging and every day can be completely different. As a leader, you'll need to be able to adapt your leadership style to suit any circumstance. In this course, we'll look at the central leadership styles and tools you need to lead a team effectively, as well as other leadership skills to put in your toolbox. We aim to help you to be able to read a situation that is unfolding in front of you and adapt your style so you can lead your teams to success. In this course, we'll first explore the importance of being able to adapt leadership styles, and then talk about the differences between management and leadership. We'll then look at the central leadership styles that you can adopt by exploring the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. Next, we'll look at what I like to call the leadership moral compass. Much like a traditional moral compass, it is designed to help steer you in the right direction to lead your teams to success. Then we'll look at some of the complementary leadership skills that go along with our different leadership styles. These additional skills, along with the leadership styles, form a robust set of tools in your leadership toolbox. We'll then look at examples to apply these leadership styles and tools in different situations. We'll first look at individual positive and negative traits of individuals on a team and how to adapt your leadership style to deal with them. Then we'll look at some more extensive team-based examples and how you might adjust your leading style in these situations. It is not my intention to provide a cookbook for the correct solution to each of these situations, as differing company and country cultures might mean you'd react differently. The aim is to provide you with the leadership tools and allow you to think through some of the introspection exercises so that you can think about how you'd handle these individual situations. This course is aimed at both experienced, new or aspiring leaders alike, as I help you lead your teams with intentionality to a positive business outcome. I hope you'll join me, Stephen Hort, on this journey to learn about leadership with my course Understanding and Applying Leadership Styles, here at Pluralsight.